Good evening. This is Local 4 News at 11. The local forecasters have declared a severe weather alert, and you can see why. The condition's pretty dangerous at the moment.
Yeah, and you'll be waking up to even more snow tomorrow morning. Chuck's tracking it all for us, so this sounds like some caution is required, Chuck.
Oh, I'll tell you, Ruth and Devin, at the very least, it is one of those kinds of snows, it looks like we've put Christmas snow on all the trees. It looks great from inside the kitchen. Then you have to get outside. So far, a slushy 2 to 4 inches. Steve Sobel, a weather watcher in Farmington, says about 2 to 2.5. Sue Drob out in Manchester says she's got about 3.75. That's a very good range. Couple things to keep in mind. This is not one of those snows because it's so wet and heavy where it really piles up. If it would have been a 10-to-1 ratio of water to snow, we would have had a lot more. Overnight, we may get another inch or two, far north maybe 3, and periodic snow showers linger tomorrow. That temp hasn't changed all night long, I mean for 6 hours. However, there are places like Mount Clemens where the temp is bouncing around closer to 32 degrees. 4 Live radar shows there's still some moisture to the south that may sneak in, but we're seeing a little end to this system here. So farther north, heavier snow amounts are certainly in the cards, and we still have the winter weather advisory with the winter storm warning to the north. Visibilities have improved somewhat, but are still reduced, running about 1 mile to 3 miles. Slushy roads with reduced visibilities, a little more moisture coming in, and we may see more snow. And remember, as you hit the roads, untreated roads, especially even your driveway, could be treacherous. Shoveling and snow plowing and snow blowing trouble because of the wet, heavy nature of the snow. Our Tim Pamplin out on the roads of Detroit to see how things are going. Tim?
Yeah, Chuck, I'm down near Wayne State University, Warren Avenue, Woodward Avenue. I did a tour earlier this evening, did the spokes of Detroit, if you will. Gratiot, Woodward Avenue, Grand River, Michigan Avenue, pulling onto Woodward Avenue here. These main roads have really not been touched by the snow plows. The plows are focusing on the freeways, of course. So the primary and secondary roads, those spokes, if you will, have not been touched by the snow plows. Forget about your neighborhoods. They're not going to get touched until sometime tomorrow. It's going to be a treacherous drive tomorrow morning for sure. That's the scene right now along Woodward. Tim Pamplin, Local 4.
Well, Ruth, Devin, this was just a little late to turn over to the wet snow, but it did, and it will continue to be that for us all night long with occasional snow showers tomorrow. More on our Wednesday forecast, and now we're looking at the month of March. It gets here on Friday. We'll see you in a minute.